is she not picking her calls? I hope all is well. What is your problem? Why are you not picking your calls?
20 missed calls?
Yes, 20 missed calls.
No, I didn't know my phone was ringing. It was on silent.
Eh.
And Kelvin called. I'm sorry.
You have a phone. It is always in your bag. What is it called? Handset, not bag set. So you always hold it because somebody is worried. How can I be calling you? 20 missed calls, you are not picking anyone. What do you think? How do you think I'll feel?
Mama, did anything happen?
I'll only tell you that when you tell me why you're here.
Well, I come to spend the weekend with my mother. Is it a crime?
It's not a crime. Next time, don't keep me waiting. I don't like it.
I'm sorry.
Always hold this your phone in your hand. See, look at me. I'm holding my own because it's called handset, not bag set, not bag set. Please, carry the bag. Let's go inside. I don't want to laugh. Don't give me that. Let's go inside.
I said I'm sorry.
I don't like this laugh. I don't like it. It's your I don't like it. I will call you. Call. You not pick call. Before I get a protection, I'll tell you.
He used to love me and treat me like a princess. He was so fond of me. Now, he has transferred all the love to another woman. Back then, he had nothing. But today, he is a rich man. My dad cost it all. Still feels like yesterday.
He's a big guy, you know. You don't understand why he's like that. I mean, you've got taste.
Thank you.
Wow. This is father's cat.
Come inside.
Wow.
Come on. Come on.
Wow.
Daddy, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Who is it?
He's my friend.
Your friend? What is he doing here?
He came to see you.
Came to see me. About what? By the way, young man, what kind of friend are you?
Daddy, can you at least allow him in so he can tell you himself?
I asked a question, Rita. What kind of friend is he to you?
He wants to marry me.
What? Rita, get inside the house.
Dad.
You heard me right. Get inside the house. Have I not warned you to stay away from boys? Because they are going to ruin your life.
Daddy, Kelvin is not that kind of a man. He loves me and I love him too.
Love? I said get inside the house this minute. Young man.
Sir.
What are you still doing? Leave my house this minute. Peter, get inside the house. This is how you go about deceiving girls. Tomorrow you impregnate her and disappear. Come on, get away from my house. You useless boy.
You can force a house to the river, but cannot force it to drink. You can fight within your powers, but what will be, will be. You cannot break a bond that is so strong.
Why are you doing this to me?
Keep quiet. I said keep quiet. Do you think I will be alive and watch a good-for-nothing gold digger mess up my daughter's life?
He loves me.
Shut your mouth up. What do you know about love? Rita, I don't want to see that young man in my house again.
Daddy, please don't do this to me.
So you are still talking? Give me your phone. I said, give me your phone. Get the phone. I said, give me the phone. Give me the phone. I'm going to change your mind. Let me see how you are going to contact the young man.
Daddy.
My dad kept me indoors for 1 whole month. By the time I went to check up on Kelvin, he was gone, for he had ended his service at that time. I didn't know I would ever meet him again.
Babe, what's up?
I am fine.
You with this your book. I like this book so much. Oh. Anyways, I would like to have a glance of it.
No, I'll give you later. I'm still making use of it.
Later. Let me just see the synopsis. That's all. I'll give you back. Bring this book, Jerry. Give me.
I don't want her to see that picture.
That's for love. That's for children in uncertain times. Really? This is beautiful. This is a good one. Have it. I'd like to read after you.
No problem. I'll give you later. Are you sure?
Yes. Don't fail me. Alright.
Your friend Zara, have you heard from her?
Oh, Zara. She actually traveled to see her mom. Alright, see you later. Let me get something.
Zara, I want you to tell me the truth. Are you having any problems with Kevin?
No, we are fine.
You are what?
We are fine.
You are shocked? Pia, don't lie to me. I am your mother. Talk to me. Are you having any problem with Kevin? Are you sure everything is okay?
No, I'm not lying. We are fine. We don't have any problem.
Okay. I am telling you this because of the dream I had. And I'm very sure Kevin is seeing another woman.
Mom, you and I know Kelvin is not a womanizer. He is faithful to me just as I am to him.
Agreed. Kevin is a good man. That does not stop me from sleeping around. Yes. So I want you to open your eyes, shine them very well, and look at him deeply to find out exactly if something is going on.
Mom, I am sure Kelvin is not having an affair with any woman. I am the only woman in his life.
I'm telling you now, you are shouting. You are opening your eyes. You don't want to listen to your mother. Men are polygamous in nature. Do you understand that? So they can play around. I am now calling your attention to it so that before it starts, you stop it. You are looking at me and you are shining your eyes.
Mom, I have confidence in Kelvin. He cannot disappoint me.
Really? No problem. Have you called your uncle to discuss that thing you said the other day?
That's one of the reasons I came back. I'll go to his house to get the list.
I have told you. Open your eyes. Kevin is seeing another woman.
Mom, you know Kelvin loves me so much. I can't even bring myself to go ask him if he's seen another woman.
Tell him about the dream that I had.
Oh, I don't think there's any need for that.
You see? You said? What did you say? I dare you to repeat it. I'm warning you now. You are singing. You are singing. You are scratching your mouth.
Okay. Pick 2. I said pick 2. What is it? Are you not playing again?
I want to ask you something.
Okay, go ahead.
Let's assume you're in a relationship and you both love each other so much. Then something happened along the line that separated you both. Sometime again, you run into each other. But you realize that, but at that point, he's now engaged to another girl. But you still love him. What will you do?
What will I do? This is so deep. This is deep. Where is this coming from? Is it a life experience or what?
No. I saw it on Facebook and people were giving their different opinions. I just wanted to know what you had to say.
Well, my honest answer to this question is, if I love the guy so much, it will be difficult for me to give up.
In other words, you won't give up.
Something like that. So can we continue now? Pick 2. Pick 2. Good.
Yes, come in.
Good morning, Mr. Kelvin.
Good morning, Rita. How did you find here?
I asked, and I was told, can I have a seat? Oh, I'm not welcome. Alright, I'll leave.
It's okay. I didn't ask you to leave. Okay, please sit.
It's not the best to offer you guests to sit.
Rita, please sit down.
I came to ask you why you abandoned me.
I did not abandon you. Have you forgotten how your father humiliated me?
My late father?
Late? Is he dead now?
Yes.
Oh.
He died early this year of cardiac arrest.
Oh. I'm so sorry about that.
Thank you. I never knew I would ever see you again.
Same here.
So why did you run away from me? I thought you said you loved me.
Rita, I don't want us to start that now. That was in the past, please.
Is that what you think? Everything cannot be in the past. Because I know you still love me. I can see the fire burning in your eyes. I still love you, Kelvin. How can you not see everything is in the past?
Please, we just have to stop this now, okay? I have someone I'm engaged with.
You have to reverse it. I have never known any other man after you. It's been only you, Kelvin. Remember your promise to me the night you took my virginity? Kelvin, I have not known any other man after that night. Till today. Is that not enough reason for you to trust me? Take her calls. Is it because I'm here?
I'll call her back later.
I should leave now.
Why?
I'm disturbing. I shouldn't have come in the first place.
Rita, hold on. Rita, you know how much I loved you then.
You still love me. It's in your eyes. The sensation is crystal clear.
I want you to understand that I have someone else in my life now.
So what happens to me now? You left me for another woman and you expect me to be happy? I shouldn't have really come in the first place. But I tell you...
Rita. I understand how you feel.
You do not understand how I feel. You know what? I can see how selfish you are. Have a nice day.
Zara, you sounded so upset on the phone. And you look worried. Is everything alright?
Hey, Kate. I don't know why I suddenly became bothered about this. Do you think Kelvin is having an affair with another woman?
Are you the one asking this question, Zara?
I don't know why, but I am afraid of losing Kelvin to another woman.
Where is this coming from? For you to sound like this, there must be something.
Okay. I visited my mother. So she told me about a scary dream she had. She said in that dream, a woman chased me out of Kelvin's house. No, she said it was Kelvin who chased me out of his house because of that woman.
God forbid.
Is that why you're panicking?
Because of a mere dream.
That was what I said. Not until she started telling me things I could never have imagined in my life. Because she took the dream serious.
So what did she say?
She said Kelvin might be cheating on me, but then I would never find out. So she suggested I look into it before it's late.
Zara, listen. I've known you and Kelvin for a very long time. Kelvin is a very responsible man.
and he cannot play with you.
I know.
I know Kelvin loves me so much. But the mere thought of Kelvin having an affair with another woman got me jittering. Zara, how many times did I just call you? Kelvin can never cheat on you. Kelvin can never cheat on you. I can vouch for him to any level, to anywhere you take me to. I'll vouch for him. What is all this now? Take it easy on yourself. Just have it at the back of your mind that Kelvin can never cheat on you. Know this and know this.
Babe, what is it? Why are you so silent? What is the problem?
It's nothing.
You can't say nothing when you're moody. Okay. Talk to me. What is it?
I'm okay.
And what is wrong with you?
You.
Me?
Yes.
Me? Me, how? What did I do?
Look, babe. Please don't be angry, okay?
So I can listen.
I want to ask you a question, okay? Please don't be angry.
Okay.
Just tell me the truth.
I'm listening.
Are you seeing another woman?
What kind of question is that? So you don't even trust me?
No, it's not like I don't trust you. I trust you completely. It's just because of the nightmare I had last night.
Oh, because of a mere dream that you're doubting me. Oh, don't even trust me.
No, babes, I trust you completely, 100%. It's just that I'm scared. I'm scared of losing you to another woman.
You're scared of losing me when we're going to get married. You're scared of losing me? I feel betrayed now.
I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry I asked. Just forget I asked, okay? I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I can now see the kind of love you have for me. You don't even trust me. You're even doubting me. No love, no trust. You don't even believe in me. It's okay.
Are you not taking your call?
Is it not this guy? Eh? He wants to borrow money from me. But I told him I cannot do it, that he cannot work. Eh? And he keeps calling me. You can imagine. Oh, people. Hmm? So come out the time to ask me for money. Hmm? Hmm. Hmm? Are you okay?
I know it's because of her. It is because of that girl he's not picking my calls. Kelvin, There is no way I'm going to allow you marry her. I gave you my virginity. And there is no way I'm going to allow you marry another woman. No. No other one will take my place in your heart. Never.
Rita, who are you talking to?
I was talking to myself.
You're talking to yourself. Rita, you're acting strange these days.
Kate, you won't understand.
I won't understand. Rita, you're keeping something away from me. But it is well. Since you don't want to tell me about it, no problem.
I'm sorry. See, the thing is, I don't want to bother with my problems. I can fix it.
You can fix it. Good luck.
Are you hungry?
No, why will I be angry? I'm not though.
You can force a house to the river, but cannot force it to drink. You can fight within your powers, but what will be, will be. You cannot break.
You're going to cancel this one, eh? Then add it with the other one I told you before.
Yes, sir.
Yes, then this one again. Come closer, come closer. Look at this one. Huh? Right. Then. Okay? Yeah.
Welcome, ma.
Babe, how are you? You didn't tell me you were coming.
And for that, I am not welcomed.
No, normally you call me before you come to the office, I mean.
I decided not to call. Is it a crime?
It's okay, you can go.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Hey, come on. Is this what you brought to work? Calvin, why did you allow such?
Hey, what are you talking about?
Didn't you hear me? Wait, how can she wear this skimpy dress to work and you allow it?
Secretary, please, you can go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Please, don't baby me. What were you doing with her when I walked in?
Excuse me, beg your pardon. What are you talking about?
Do you know I trust you, right? Is she the one?
Excuse me, you're insulting me. What has come over you?
I will not talk to you until you tell me the truth.
Zara, come back here. What is going on? What has come over? What is this? What's the meaning of this?
So your work here is to seduce my husband and get him to sleep with you, right? Excuse me, ma. What kind of talk is that? Are you mad? Does it look like I'm joking with you? Does it look like I do not know what I saw in there? You must be sick in the head. Look, I know what I saw in there. I know you are sleeping with my husband. Are you not sleeping with my husband? Huh? You can't even deny it. Can you? What are you saying, ma? This is an allegation and I'm not going to take it. Oh, it's an allegation. Can't you deny it? Are you not sleeping with my husband? Are you not? You know what? Let me give you this advice for free. Today should be your last day in this office. If I come here tomorrow and I find you here, they will bundle your corpse to your family. I don't threaten people. Rubbish.
What is it?
Zara slaps me. Asked me to quit my job or else he'll kill me.
What? When must Zara say a thing like that?
She said I'm sleeping with you.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying, okay? You're not gonna quit your job. Okay? Stop crying.
Thank you, sir.
How did you do it?
Today's my day. I'll have my revenge.
It's not by mouth.
Okay.
By mouth. What did you say? What did you just say?
Calm down. Let's continue. Yeah.
Let me see your game now.
Are you seeing me?
Where is it coming? Babe, what's up?
Can I see you briefly? Is anything the matter? It's confidential. Just come out, okay? Okay.
Did anything happen?
I don't know. But let me see, I'm coming.
I hope she has not found out about me. She didn't even look my way. Well, I'll hear from Kate.
Zara, why are you crying? Kate, it has happened. Everything my mother said is true. I don't understand. What are you saying? I am just coming from Kelvin's office. I caught him almost kissing his secretary.
What kind of joke is that? Eh? Zara, please stop it. Eh? The Kelvin I know cannot condescend so low.
That is what you think. Do you know Kelvin was angry with me because I didn't inform him before going to his office?
Zara, something is wrong somewhere. Are you sure of what you saw?
I know what I saw. Do I look like a child? I saw his secretary leaning towards him when I bashed it, like I knew something was going on. Gosh.
Kelvin, I can't believe this. Kelvin almost kissing his secretary.
You have to believe it. I can't lie to you. My mom said it. She said it, but I doubted her because I trusted Kelvin so much. How could Kelvin do this to me? How could he? What have I ever done to Kelvin? What? All I did was to be a good girlfriend. I have been nothing but faithful to Kelvin. How?
How could Kelvin do this to Zara? I know Zara cannot lie to me about such a serious matter. Men can be so unpredictable.
Has she gone?
Yes.
She looks troubled. Is she alright?
She's having problem with Kelvin.
Why?
She said Kelvin is having an affair with the secretary.
How does she know? Kelvin cannot be having an affair with his secretary.
She said she caught them almost kissing in his office.
No. She's not sure about what she saw. That guy cannot do a thing like that.
I told her, but she insisted she knew what she saw.
She's right. I'll find out what really happened.
What are you thinking?
Nothing. I am just angry. Why would he do a thing like that?
That's if it's true. The Kelvin I know can never do such a thing.
She has refused to pick my calls since she left my office. I really have to find what's going wrong. Something is really wrong that I'm sure of.
Where are you?
I'm driving.
I would like us to see. How do I see you?
I'll call you back later.
Okay. It's important we see. I'd like us to discuss what happened in your office today.
What is she even talking about?
Can you hear me?
Like I said, I'll call you back later.
Okay. I'll be waiting.
What does she mean by just talking about what happened at the office today?
I know he's going to be wondering how I figured out what happened in his office. This could just be an opportunity for me to take back my Kelvin.
I was looking for you inside.
I came to take a stroll. Are you going out?
Yes. Zara said I should come over to her place.
What happened again?
I don't know. Until I get there.
Okay, come back quick.
Alright, yeah.
Just Zara's house, you are dressed like this.
Of course, baby.
Hey, Zara. Hello? Yeah? What is happening? Why are you crying?
Mommy, it has happened.
What is it?
The worst has happened to me. Mommy, Kelvin is seeing another woman.
How did you know?
I caught them in his office. Mommy, Kelvin, it's even embarrassing to say. Kelvin is having an affair with his secretary.
And you're crying? You think crying will solve the problem? I told you. The other day I was telling you, you were sharpening your mouth, you were singing.
Mommy, of all people, Kelvin chose to sleep with... Kelvin decided to cheat on me with his secretary. Mom, I don't know what to do anymore. How was I supposed to know he's like that? And you were telling me I was insisting that he was a good person, that he wouldn't cheat on me.
You better know what to do. You better know what to do. Listen. Listen. Stop this cry. Stop it and listen to me. Have you stopped crying? Good. You will follow the Kelvin. Trace him wherever he goes to. Follow him closely. Mark him very well. If it is true, stop it right now. Do you hear me?
Mom, I feel like killing myself.
Eh? You feel like killing yourself. If you try it, Kevin will even marry 15. Idiot. You want to kill yourself and allow him go. Follow him, you're thinking of killing yourself. Don't talk rubbish.
Mommy, he's here. Let me call you back later.
Mafia, you want to kill yourself?
Babe? Babe? Babe, come on. Stop, babe. Stop, babe. Babe. What is it?
Answer me. Were you kissing her or not?
Oh, babe, just come on.
Answer the question! Were you kissing her or not?
You just have to stop this now, please.
Kelvin, why would you be sleeping with your secretary? What does she have that I do not have?
Babe, please. You just have to stop this madness now.
Kelvin, you said this madness. It's just started. You said that girl, that stupid girl, I will kill her the next time I find her in your office.
Oh, you actually asked her to quit her job?
Yes, I did. What would you do about it? Beat me. Kevin, you want to beat me?
Babe, please. For the last time, why are you doing this? I cannot stoop so low to start sleeping with my secretary. It's not possible.
Okay. So what were you doing with her?
I was correcting some mistakes that she did while typing my letter for me.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
You're correcting some mistakes for what she did. And she was so close to you that her lips was almost on your lips.
Oh, babe, you are insulting me now.
Kelvin, you insulted yourself. You insulted yourself the moment you started sleeping with your secretary. I can't even believe this.
Babe, you have to stop this now. Please. Why do you want to ruin my life? Why?
Kelvin, take your call. Kelvin. Oh, you don't want to take the call because she's the one who's calling you. Huh? I'm so disappointed in you. Honestly, Kate, I would have done something nasty today. If not that I called my mother and then she consoled me.
I am yet to believe what you just said. Wonders shall never end.
Honestly, I made a mistake. I should have strangled that girl. Who is she to sleep with my man? Who?
Zara, you have to take it easy on her. Take it easy on yourself too.
I'm not taking anything easy. Kevin must pay for this heartbreak he cost me.
Okay. Fine. Where is he now?
I don't know. He left not quite long and I don't care. Kate, I am not sure this marriage is going to work.
Don't say that. Don't! You want to let that destroy the relationship you've built with Kelvin for so many years? Listen, Zara, that girl is simply a hooker. And the best thing to do is to stop her from working for Kelvin.
Do you know Kelvin was mad at me because I told the girl to quit her job? Yes. Plus, he never admitted that he was sleeping with the girl.
Zara, the devil is really at work. I don't want you to give room to the devil to destroy your relationship with Kelvin.
Please, can you just leave the devil out of this? Kelvin is to be blamed for not controlling himself. A man without self-control is more like a vehicle without brake. Zara, I want you to know one thing. No one is above mistake. No one. Kate, there is nothing like a mistake in this issue. Kevin has been lying to me. He has been deceiving me, saying I am the only woman in his life. Who knows if you've also promised the girl marriage? He will do no such thing. Please, can you just stop defending me? It's irritating. My mother said all men are polygamous in nature. Well, I said no. My Kevin is exceptional. He's too upright. He can't do that. My mom has been right all along. Will you just stop this? What do you expect me to say? Tell me. You have to take it easy on yourself.
Kelvin, you have really changed. The Kelvin that I used to know back then was never into women. Today the story is different. Why is it so?
What exactly are you talking about?
I am talking about what happened in your office this afternoon. You were caught kissing your secretary. True or false?
How did she know?
You're surprised I'm aware of it? Kelvin, why would you do a thing like that?
Whoever that must have told you that lied to you. Okay? I wouldn't do a thing like that. Meanwhile, is that why you called me out here? What's your main reason of calling me out here?
Well, it's not entirely the reason I called to see you.
Then let me get the main reason you called me out here.
Kelvin, can you please just take it easy? Take it easy, baby. It's just that I was sad. I was sad when I heard about the incident. You know, it's quite shameful.
The truth is that I never had anything to do with my secretary. I cannot stoop so low to start kissing my secretary in the office. I cannot do that.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry if I got you a bit upset with the topic.
It's alright.
So, can we go to somewhere more comfortable to talk?
Where do you want us to go?
I'm new in this area, so I don't really know much places here.
Would you mind if we go to my friend's hotel?
That's fine.
Are you okay with that?
Yes. Sure.
It's okay. Let's go then.
Yeah, you can force a house to the river, but cannot force it to drink. You can fight within your powers, but what will be, will be.
Peter, thank God you are back.
I'm back in school.
I've been worried about this car.
Why are you worried about my car?
I have a feeling that your sister might come here one day and carry it.
How is that possible? You worry too much. You mean Lizzie will just come in here, collect this key from me, and take the car away? How possible?
See,
calm down.
If you will listen to me, it's better we take this car somewhere till further notice. Biko.
Why are you panicking about nothing? You're just panicking for nothing. Well, see, this is my car. I should take it from my own compound and go and park it somewhere. How? It is my inheritance. My late brother's car. And I always tell you, by extension, it is my car. I own it. Stop panicking.
We are not talking about who has the right or who does not have the right over this car. What we are talking about now is securing this car, making sure that nothing happens to it, that it will still be under our own custody. Biko, Kaibupia, you don't know the method she will use to carry it.
What method are you talking about? If she likes so, let her use IUPAC nomenclature, or Almighty formula, or Heroes formula, Papa, completing the squares. Let her use anyone. I am ready. I am telling you, if she comes here, she cannot collect the key, not to talk of taking the car away. Stop worrying yourself. Nico.
You will not listen to me now. See, I will not forgive you and I will not be happy with you if anything happens to this car. If my fears comes to reality, you got 5 again.
Amaka, calm down. Wait will be. Don't worry yourself. I have told you I am waiting for her to come. In fact, you are the one trying to dream her here now. So even if your dreams make her to come, I am waiting. I am hungry. As a matter of fact, I'm famished. Go inside and prepare food for me. I want to eat.
Eh?
What is that?
You want to eat?
Yes.
No food for you until we finalize the issue of this car, securing this car.
Amaka, what are we finalizing again now? I have told you, let her come. I am waiting. She can't take this car from me. Take it to the bank. Amaka, give me my car key. What is wrong with this woman? Bring my car key. What's wrong with you?
Mr. Peter, can we have the car keys? You are wasting our time, please. Get him handcuffed.
Handcuff? No, you don't need to handcuff me. I'll give you.
Give me!
What is where? What is where? You want them to handcuff me? Where? I don't want them to.
You are waiting, let's go! So you give me the key. Come!
Hey, you shut up, idiot!
Hey!
Now move.
I said it, that you are not a man. That you are not a man.
Just keep quiet!
You now
want them to handcuff me?
I said move.
Oh, you are fearing for handcuff.
Come and be a man now.
Mr. Man, move.
Come down, let's go. I said it.